what was I saying?
Okay, this is Katie. She's about to demo a freaking table.
Katie.
Go, Katie, go!
Nice goggles.
on.
Look how solid that is. Isn't that solid?
That thing is gonna go bye-bye.
You beat that little table up. Show his boss.
I don't know how to do this. You swing it like that?
No, like this. Overhead, come down.
No, you don't do it that way. You swing it up and then you put your hands together and then come full down, full straight.
Obviously my way worked. Is it broken?
You're stupid. Don't stand it back. Oh, how did that break? No, do not unscrew it. You beat it. You don't freaking unscrew it.
I'm not a beating person. This is sad.
It's a freaking table. It doesn't have feeling.
Yeah!
Why am I doing this? It's not right.
By the way, they're cutting you a check for $500.
Huh?
They're cutting you a check for $500. Anyways, cut. Here's this video. Can you not hit that way? Yeah, okay. 4!
Oh my god.
I'm gonna move out of the way. This seems like a bad idea.
She's so girly, it's awesome. Ponage! Frisbee.
Alan, you're gonna get hit.
It's over there.
See, this is our firewood. We're gonna have a bonfire
This is our
today.
bad idea wood.
This is a lot of wood. Bad llama. Bad lamp. Table.
I love lamp.
I love lamp.
This is how we drag doors
So we're
out.
gonna have a huge bonfire today with this fire tonight. So we're gonna have fun. We'll videotape some more of that.